just quickly to show you how to create the downloadable digital product for your store. I already created one right here to show you that it's a downloadable product. So I will click on this. I'm still not logged into this site as a customer. So for example, I will, as you can see, I got the price here, same thing, you know, as the regular products, and then I have links, which is lesson 1, lesson 2. These are not clickable links, you know, that just tells me what the chapters are, for example, in your product. So it's just the common, regular, everyday product that you create. Pretty much you go to the manage products. And then click add product. I'm going to create a lesson 2. Make sure when you get to this point where you're creating a new product, leave the same, like the default attribute set, and product type we're going to select downloadable product, and I'm going to click continue here. So we get to our average, like a regular create a product page where you have to put in the name. I'm going to call this one lesson 2. Lesson 2. Alright, we're going to give it a SKU, LS2, and status, we're going to enable this product. URL key, we can give it a lesson. Visibility, catalog, and search, just like in every other simple product or configurable product. Prices, we're gonna add this one to be like $20. Now this is a combined price, so pretty much if it has chapters or lessons and you want to provide it as one product, this is the way to go. Then you can configure one price for all of them combined. And the text class is none. We are going to get to the inventory here, so we can enable this product. We're going to put as much as you want because it's still going to be a downloadable product, in stock. Make sure that we have that. If you want to link any cross-sell, upsells, or related products, you already know how to do that. Categories, of course, you will select which categories you want to have it in. I'm not going to put it in any categories because we're still using this site for our client to view, the progress of work. So downloadable information is where you actually start adding the products, your lessons. So this, you can delete that. Links can be purchased separately. You can say no. I wouldn't recommend putting yes, because I don't know what the outcome will be with that, So we're gonna click add new row, and as you can see, you can add as many as you want and as you need. You can give each single one of them a separate title. So chapter 1, you can, since it doesn't have individual price, which I selected here, it's not, you can't add the price for it. But if you say that you can purchase links separately, and then you can set up the price for each individual chapter. So chapter 2, and so on. This is shareable. You want to make sure that it's not, because that way people can actually download the product without buying it. So you want to make sure that these shareable are here set to no. Max number of downloads. Now this is where you can actually limit your customers to a certain number of downloads per that particular chapter. So we're gonna put in 2 downloads, 2. And sample, if you want to provide a sample file, which will be like a preview file, you can do it here. If not, you can omit this and switch over to the file. Now it's, you know, regular browse for that file. Just clicked on that, you know, so let's see where it's taking a little bit of time. But this is something where you know, you select your files and you upload them. Reason I'm not going to upload this right now, and I'm going to show you on the example that I already created this, because I have to move the permissions on all of this, you know, so it's capable of uploading the files. Another thing here is the sort order. You know, you can set your chapters sort order, you know, and I would strongly recommend, you know, just putting 1, 2, 3 and so on as you put them on. Okay, so pretty much when that's done, if you click, you know, you're gonna have to click over here, upload files, once all the files are selected, and you can let the Magento do the work. So let me show you the product that I have created, which is the lesson 1. As you can see, it's a downloadable product here. And downloadable information. So we got the lesson. These should have been chapters, and we have our files here. I simply added like JPEG, PNG files. So those are the options right here. They're actually not an options, they just show you what chapters are included. So let me log in, as I already purchased this before, and I'm going to log in here and show you how it actually looks. How it actually looks on the as you can see, I purchased that product, you know, the order is still pending, and the status of the order is pending. So if I go to my downloadable products and I click here, you can see that that same exact order number, which is 10, has a lesson 1, which is the lesson, which is the name of the product, and then it has these lesson 1, lesson 2, which should have been chapters, chapter 1, chapter 2. The reason I already set this, you know, to unlimited downloads. Reason I can't download this is, as you can see right now, the links is not available, is because the order is still pending. So unless the order is actually processed, and which I'm going to do right now, you're not going to have this issue with the credit card paying customers, because they can simply once they pay, you know, their order is already processing and they have the option to download. So I go to this order, and I'm going to, as you can see, pending status. I'm going to invoice it really quickly. It also tells you here how many downloads were done. 1 second. Let me invoice this. Submit invoice. Okay. Now that this is invoiced and our order is now complete, the customer, let's refresh the screen, will have a different status of available. Now they can simply go ahead and start their download. Okay, this is image, for example. That that's the image file. This is another image as well. But as you can see, now they actually get to download the products, and right here it will tell me when I go to that particular order if the customer actually had downloaded. And you know, the 0 means 0 downloads out of unlimited. So right now, because I actually clicked on the lesson 1, this particular one should say 1 out of unlimited. So let's refresh that and we'll be able to see that, and there you go, 1 out of unlimited. So you can actually see if your customers had downloaded the product. And that's pretty much it. You know, it's not really not much to it. I'm gonna stop here, and if you have any questions, you know, just shoot me an email or a Maven link. Okay, thanks, bye.